Yo, I am officially done trying to make money on YouTube. Now, the reason why I'm saying I'm done trying to make money on YouTube, and capital T on trying, is because it's too stressful to keep trying to figure out the perfect thumbnail, title, how to film, how to edit, all of this stuff that people are stressing about on YouTube, ultimately because they're trying to make all this money with it, right? And I'm just to the point where I'm just gonna quit trying. And that's not the same as quitting, right? Because quitting means I ain't uploading no more videos, I'm deleting my channel, I'm out. Nah. What I mean by not trying is just pretty much going back to just creating content that I want to create, and creating videos that I think that other people will get some value from, whether it be, talking about my experiences, or sharing opportunities that I found to make money, or tips on being an entrepreneur, anything, like whatever it is that I want to share, that's what I'm going to do. When it comes to a thumbnail, I'm gonna try to make it somewhat appealing, you know what I'm saying? But I'm done reading books and researching and watching all of these YouTube gurus that's talking about, you gotta have these colors. Nah, you should never use this color, or you need to be in the center of your thumbnail, or you need to don't be in the thumbnail. Well, don't use this text. Don't use this text. Like, if you really, really listen to all of the advice on YouTube, you're gonna be all over the place. You're not gonna know what the hell to do, because everybody say different shit. Ultimately, like, I strongly feel you have to figure out your path. I believe wholeheartedly that anybody can be successful on YouTube. But I feel like everybody's path to it is different. Right? Like, somebody's path might be doing talking head videos, right? Somebody else's path might be like a faceless YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? Somebody else's path might be interviewing people or whatever, right? Like, so I just feel like right now I just got to just do what I feel comfortable with doing, putting out the content I want to put out, and just keep it moving. And I feel the fact that I'm removing the idea of trying to make all this money, right? Especially from the YouTube ads, because that's like the most common way to make money on YouTube, right? Everybody want to get YouTube ad dollars. Everybody want videos with thousands of views, because the more views you get, the more money you make, right? So it stresses people out on a regular basis, because they drop all these videos, and shit, they don't get 100 views, you ain't making no money. You're just not, right? But that's the dope ass thing about being an affiliate marketer, a network marketer. You can make decent money on YouTube and not have a lot of views on your videos, right? Because you can have a video with 50 views but get make 10 sales, like whatever you're promoting. So but yeah, it's just like, I feel like it's going to be a stress reliever just to disconnect from, making money from YouTube. Now, yes, do I want to make money from YouTube? Hell yeah. I think 90% of the people on the platform want to make money from YouTube. But I really, really feel like when you attach that money to it, it's just not good, right? And I think it could mess with your creativity. It could mess with your your progress. It can mess with your output. That's what I feel. That's what I notice even with myself, right? So the idea of, oh my God, I need to make all this money from YouTube, and connecting that to my work, nah. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. I'm just gonna do what I do and just let it happen. And I truly believe that if I just do what I feel comfortable and putting out the content I want to put out, ultimately, it's going to come back around and make me the money that I want to make from YouTube. But to hell with all that stressing. I'm done.